Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show how to access Roblox service. Let's open Discord. Click plus. Oops, click discover, find and search here. Type Blox rules here, hit enter. And here's our Discord server. Click on it, then close. There's verification here. Let's go in. Verify and type, enter server here, type Perry command. Press enter. Click verify in Blox link, copy link, or just click go. We land on this site, click verify now, then next. It redirects us to Roblox. Log in with your account here. Click grant permissions here. Yes, we're linking. Select server, click apply, and we've linked Discord. There, successful verification. That was name. Bye everyone.